So these are from Fairfield, Connecticut.
What the freak? Hey, oh wait, paints. We also got clay, got some seashells, and a bunch of random things. Yay, that is so much.
Oh god, wait. See, nothing happened.
Just start. Oh my gosh, they're cute.
They're so
They're
cute.
very cute.
Okay. Oh, I forgot about that. So cute. I think this one should have a
Our next activity is clay.
No, wait. Let's do a mango break first.
Oh, okay.
Why'd you put yours in? Bring your shirt.
Okay. It's cute. We just finished making everything. Just finished our clay session. And then here's everything that we made today within 5 hours. 4 or 5 hours. Yay. Then we're gonna get in and out.
Oh, it's canned and not like mukbang stuff.
Should we do mukbang?
I don't know.
I'm down for
That would be
mukbang.
good. We should do like a time lapse.
Animal style.
The protein style, but with the grilled onions.
No, have you seen that video where they rock, paper, scissors and only the winner gets to eat?
Oh
And the
yes,
guys
and
are,
you
like,
have to run and then come back and then play.
Let's play.
Don't tell me you want to play that.
Let's play it right now.
Okay, fine. Okay. But if you win, you can get a bite of anything in here, including the other person. Dude, they can't even see our food though. Wow. Okay, we're gonna go around. Which one? Should we just do this too? No, that's too short. I would say to the drive-through sign. Bro. Can you see it? It's kind of far. Far? It's so far. Whoa. To stand up. Did you watch the video? seen like videos of it. Okay. Like rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Let's go. I'm gonna eat her sandwich. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I'm not wearing a bra. No way. Wait, you ain't mine. Hey, put that down. Wait, scissors, shoot. Wait, scissors, shoot. Let's go. John, I almost choked on my food earlier. And I'm wearing Crocs. And they're not in sport mode. The game is over. Ew. I had to eat yours because the paper was taking too long. I needed a bite. Excuse me. Not me being annoying right now. Please, I want.
Chicken cutlet, pesto. So good. Oh, what'd you get?
I got a sausage, egg, and cheese.
Cream cheese. That looks
Garlic and herb cream cheese. That cheese.
Wow.
Nothing's going on. I'm gonna put my cover.
These tables. So yum.
Cheers. Oh, mozzarella.
Found this belt. I abandoned everything else that I found because I was being unrealistic. I had this shirt and this skirt. The skirt is really cute because of the waistband, but it's way too big, which I can try to fix, but and the shirt, I feel like I could get a work shirt like this for like $5 at Walmart or something. So I'm not getting this.
Airosa caminaba, la flor de la canela, adórnala con jazmines.
It's so small. Not like good. That's true. That's so cool. Bro, it's a Sonic.
Pottery class next time. Good morning. We got some takeout sushi and we've been craving this forever. But we have to stay quiet because Foss is in a meeting. Prepping some noodles that Foss's mom made. Shout out to Foss's mom. That is so sweet. She prepped everything. Like what? That's so sweet. I'm doing some more painting for the necklaces that we're gonna be making. They're like completely dry now, so I just finished painting this one. I don't know if this actually helps with anything, but it low-key helped with drying the paint faster.